In this video, I will teach you how to prevent fraud and fake orders in WooCommerce Wordpress plugin for free. So this is really important if you want to protect your online shop from spam orders and keep your store running smoothly. So the first thing you need to do is to go to wordpress.com because WooCommerce is part of WordPress. So go ahead and go to wordpress.com on your browser and have an account. But if you don't have an account yet, all you have to do is to click on this Get Started button right here on the upper right corner and sign up using your credentials. But if you already have an account, you can pretty much click on this login button right here and enter your username and your password. Once you're signed in, this is what the WordPress looks like. This is the dashboard of a site that was created using WordPress. So all you have to do is to scroll down on this left-hand sidebar right here until you see plugin just below appearance. So just click on add plugin right here and type in on the search bar fraud prevention for commerce or WooCommerce anti-fraud. Then once you search it up, you will be able to see the results with free plugins for you to install to your site. These are free plugins that automatically detect suspicious or fake orders. All you have to do is to pick one, let's say this one right here, the fraud prevention for WooCommerce, and click that and install the plugin. After activation, all you have to do is to scroll down and look for the plugin that you just have activated right here and then go to its settings. In here, you can enable features like blocking orders from disposable or fake emails, limiting multiple orders from the same IP address, setting up minimum and maximum order value checks, and even auto-holding suspicious orders for manual review. You can block trigger stage, address type to monitor, and block email addresses. You can fine-tune the rules depending on your store's needs. And once you've set the settings, try placing a test order with a fake email or suspicious details. And you'll notice that the plugin either blocks the order or puts it on hold for review. This shows that your WooCommerce store is now protected against the fraud. So that's all there is today. Hope we helped.